Okay, now that you've made your application over in Excella, it now kicks over to here, which you can see the permit is right here. So what you're going to do, you're awaiting plan submission, and what I would do is create two screens, again in Safari and Chrome, just to make sure that you have everything. And what I do is I like to cheat a little bit, and you can look at another job. So if you wanted to, I don't want to change screens because it might just keep spinning, but I would look for a building permit that we have already completed, which is 895 North Kentucky, and that's over here. And what you're going to see is e-plan review. Excuse me. Actually, going to go here. What you're going to see here are all the drawings that are necessary in order to do a permit, which is mechanical, electrical, plumbing, structural, civil, and architectural. This is why I wanted to do it on another screen because it just keeps spinning and spinning and spinning. So just give it a second. Should I just pause this? This will work too. So anyway, if you're looking at Kentucky Street as a cheat, you will not need the first three. This is a wall check, roof trusses, and roof seals, which are all done at a later time in the process. But what you'll see, and the reason why you're seeing them here is because we have to submit them later on. But what we want to submit is everything else. So we have architecturals. There are your two electricals. And then you're going to drop into your civils. And then you're going to have your mechanical, plumbing, structurals. And there's a couple additional things. These right here are just comment response letters. Again, this is an old permit, so these are us responding to the county. We do not have those yet, so you won't have those. But you'll need to also have a deed and a manual J. So if we were to go look in the files, go to documents and permit submissions, and I cheated a little bit, but you'll see building permit, and these V1, V2. Actually, I'm going to change this now to V1. Wrong button there. This is version 1 that we're going to submit today. So open it up, and what you're going to see, again, if you're looking at this on split screens and you're copying of all the files from 895 North Kentucky, I put in all your architecturals. You have all your mechanicals. You have all your plumbing, and you have all your structurals. So from a drawing standpoint, you have everything except for civil. And I already put in the manual J. As you can see, it's down here. So the two things you're missing are civils. So what we're going to do is go over to, let's go to permit submissions, and let's go to LDA 3. Excuse me. Actually, let's do this. Version 1, here's your submission set. But the one thing is you have to break all of these up into separate folders. Another way you can do it, I'll show you in a second, but hold on a second, I want to show you the deed. So the deed would be in title report, and then here's your original deed. And I always put a Z down here because everything's alphabetical, obviously, but anything reports like the manual J or the deed, we're going to put a Z there, and Z dot space space, and then it's going to drop this down to the bottom. So you're going to drop in your deed over here, and then the only thing you're missing are your structure or your civils. And the way to do that quickly is jump over to e-plan review, go back to your projects, and you're going to see a submission set for these are the buildings. Where are you? Right here. So this LDA, see this review in progress? This is our site development plan. So go ahead and jump in here. And you're going to go to your plans. And you can highlight them right here. And you will need all of those. So go ahead and download it. And then drag those files over here. And now you have all the documents that you need for your submission. So then once you have all those documents put together, what you're going to do is go over, this is why I was using two different screens so that you can work in and out of e-plan review. If you have it in open in two different tabs here, nothing's going to save. So then, when you're ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and go back over to your drawings. Oops, I didn't change jobs, sorry. So you're going to go awaiting plan submission. So that's right here. And we're going to go to plans and documents. And then we're going to upload all those drawings that we had over here. We're going to go to browse. Let's just do one for now. Let's just use this as an example. And this is kind of weird, but usually the drawings are going to automatically understand where to go. It's going to say architectural, civil, whatever, plumbing, mechanical. But if it doesn't know, you can either ask me or you're going to have to pick one. And then what we're going to do, once everything is here, this is kind of like a double, you have to go to upload. Do you want to upload? Yes. And once all your drawings are here, do me a favor, let me double check everything, because if you submit it, it could go into review, and if you forgot something, it'll go into it'll get rejected, and then 30 days later, we'll start the whole process over. So what you want to do is double check everything, make sure it's 100% correct. Again, look at this on a split screen, make sure you have everything that's already approved from another job like 895 North Kentucky. Once you click submit for review, it's over. So you can't change anything after that point. It's at least, actually for this permit, it's a 60-day wait, or excuse me, a 6-week wait. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that so we don't make a mistake. But again, stop right here. Let me double check everything. And then once we're good to go, we're going to review. So submit for review. And it goes into the review process. Let me know if you have any questions.